If you've been watching the Toronto real estate headlines lately, you're probably hearing completely contradictory news. One article says the market is slowing down, while another tells you detached home prices are climbing in pockets like the Annex and Central West Toronto. So, what's actually happening? We are currently living in a two-speed GTA real estate market. On one side of the spectrum, single family detached homes are proving remarkably resilient with low new build inventory and move up buyers jumping on stabilized mortgage rates. Well priced houses in established GTA neighborhoods are seeing strong competition and selective price growth. On the flip side, the condo apartment market is sitting in firm buyer territory, with elevated inventory levels and investor listings hitting the market. Buyers in the condo segment have unprecedented leverage, more negotiating power, and time on their side. What does this mean for you? If you're looking to trade up from a condo into a freehold home, the narrow price gap makes right now one of the most strategic windows we've seen in years. And if you're a first time buyer or investor, the condo market is offering opportunities you simply couldn't find a couple of years ago. The golden rule right now isn't watching macro averages, it's understanding the micro data for your exact neighborhood and property type. If you want to know what this shifting market means for your specific property or buying goals, drop a comment below or send me a DM. Let's talk strategy.